Hello everyone, Nevada Evie from Evie Designs. Thanks for watching the video. So today's video is going to be a little bit different than normal. Normally we have like project videos and stuff, but I decided to do something a little bit different. And I'm going to talk about probably the best gift my parents ever gave Dakota and I. I forget if it was for a birthday or Christmas, but anyway, it doesn't really matter. They gave us this scroll saw. And it came with like a little palm sander. So they got us this, some wood glue, some extra blades, and I think maybe we bought some clamps or something. And we just started from there. And that's what started our whole journey of making things. This year was actually some of our first projects with this scroll saw. We made a lot of these actually. We made the pattern ourselves, and we glued clothespins on top of here and sold them at yard sales for rubber band guns. So, if you have a 10-year-old kid that's interested in making things, just buy one of these for Christmas. I mean, my brother and I are very thankful to our parents for buying this for us, because we ended up wasting a lot of money on tools in the long run. So, yeah, Dad was nice enough to help us build this building that we work in now. So, yeah, if you have some kids and trying to decide what to get them for Christmas, get them a scroll saw. So, as an update of what all's going on here in the Evie Designs shop, Dakota's making some stuff. He's making a very nice walnut lamp that we're going to make a YouTube video out of, actually. So, let me take you to that. Okay, this is the progress so far on the lamp. It's very nice and smooth. He drilled the center hole there for that. So yeah, that's what he's working on. And also we made some of these little succulent planters. Very nice actually. It's old reclaimed wood from an old church actually. And yeah, those might drop on our website here sometime. And as far as what I've been making, I made a cutting board. You guys seen the YouTube video for that. I was going to make a spoon, but then I realized, got partway through and realized my chisels are junk. So I might have to get some other chisels, because I don't have one of those gouged chisels. Anyway, that's not very important. Some of y'all have been wondering where the next challenge video is coming. Well, trust me folks, it's coming. Just be patient, because Dakota and I haven't exactly been in the wood shop at the same time for a long enough time to film the video. So that's kind of why we're stuck right now. But we will soon, very soon. The Wheel of Misfortune will make its return. It's actually one of our more popular videos, so, and watch time anyway. So we will definitely bring it back and possibly do even more after my turn happens. Dakota's not happy with my punishment for all the misery I put him through. He might require me to go through it again. So that's kind of where we're at, guys. We didn't really have a project completely done this week. Dakota's working on that lamp, and I was busy with some other things and didn't get one out. So this will have to do. And yes, if you have a kid, get him one of these. Thanks, guys. See you next time. Maybe we'll have that lamp done. And like and subscribe. Stay tuned to see what else we have coming.